That sounded funny, didn't it? Hello and welcome to FBA TV. My name's Hayden, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you how to get reimbursements that Amazon owe to you. So, if you don't know, for any new beginners, right, there's a really annoying thing that Amazon do, and that's called not giving you your money back from money that's owed to you. I'm going to talk to you exactly how you can use Seller Board, which is what I use and have been using for years now, as my sort of profit tracking. But not only does it do profit tracking, inventory management, etc., for all your expenses, etc. as well, reports, it also has got this little feature down here called money back. So what I'm going to do in today's video is show you how you can use Seller Board to get the reimbursements that Amazon rightfully owe you. Okay, so you are rightfully entitled to get this money back, by the way. So you should be... If you're not getting the money back owed to you, you should rightfully be frustrated by that, and you should be doing something about it, okay? And this is something that you can do about it. So let's go down here. This is how you do it. You go to lost and damaged, okay? So this report shows inventory which is lost or damaged in the FBA warehouses by Amazon was neither found nor reimbursed to you. Using this report, you can open a seller support ticket and ask Amazon to research and refund the money. So as you can see up here, we've got the estimated reimbursement amount for $693. And this is the demo account, by the way. So it says obviously that it says 2020 there. Obviously that's the demo account, but what it will do is it will do this on a monthly basis, and it will show you how much money is actually owed to you. So that's $693, guys. Imagine if that was yours. How much have you got? 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000? I mean, I'll check my account and let you know, but I think we've probably got thousands owed to us, over the years of selling that we haven't had reimbursed. I mean, my V8 does this manually sometimes, but it's a long process. It's nice. Look what they've done here. Okay, so this is how it works. Your inventory might be lost or damaged by the Amazon employees in the FBA warehouse. Normally, Amazon should either find the lost inventory or reimburse you, okay, after 45 days. That's what they do. However, sometimes this doesn't happen. This report helps you find cases where your products were lost and have neither been found nor reimbursed. Use the report to ask seller support to research and reimburse you the money. Please note that the potential reimbursements is a report or estimations. The seller support might reimburse or decline a request completely. So that can happen, and it will happen in some cases. But for the most part, you should get this money back. And the reason that it's important to have a professional template is because Amazon seem to give you reimbursements more frequently when it looks like it's a professional company talking to them. That's just the experience that we've had. So the first step is, how does this work? Second step, download the report. So what you have to do, click on Excel or CSV or something like that, click download. It will download there, and it's going to come up with a list of things. I can't click on that because it's going to take me off this screen, and then it won't be recording anymore. So you click on that, and it will come up with a list of the ASIN and the products, etc., etc. It's got a whole list there waiting for you, okay? The next thing you do is contact seller support, okay? And then you work your way through the list, or you can get a virtual assistant to do this for you, which is what I do. You open a seller support ticket in the category fulfillment by Amazon, inventory damaged or lost in warehouse, okay? You follow the steps, okay? There will be an open investigation for you to lost damaged products by choosing the investigate inventory lost in warehouse or investigate inventory damaged in warehouse, and options respectively, okay? They prepared this template for us, okay? You do this one by one, okay? You recommend opening one at a time, so you do this one by one, okay? So what you do is show that template there, okay? You copy this template, okay? Copy that template like that. Go to copy, okay? You go to your Amazon, okay? And then you get up that SCV or Excel file that you've got of all your products, okay? Then for every single product, once you've followed these steps, you remove the ASIN, you change the ASIN to the new ASIN, okay? Going down the list, and the date of the transaction, and then it will send you this very polite message asking for a reimbursement. You do that on each individual item once you've followed these steps, okay? Fulfillment by Amazon. When you're opening contacts in Amazon, fulfillment by Amazon, you go to inventory, damaged or lost in warehouse, okay? And then you open investigations, and then you send one by one, once you've downloaded this, to Amazon. That is exactly how you do it. If you need to go over that again, once you've got Seller Board, and there's a 2 months, guys, free trial for this down below if you want to test it out. If you test it out for 2 months, all you're going to do is actually make money, and then you can cancel if you want at the end of it. But test it out for 2 months. There's a link below, as I say, for 2 months free. once you've got that, sign into here. It will give you the steps. If you need to come back to this video, come back to it and go through the steps again, listen to my voice, or pause the video here. That's how you can get reimbursements that are owed to you from Amazon. It's as simple as that. And if they don't give you the money straight away, I would also recommend opening the message again and again and again. Now, I know it's a tedious process. But my VA actually does that as well. Okay, my VA actually does that for us. Okay, but look, they're sellable. Okay, that's how you do lost and damaged. Okay, so we've also got different data down here like returns, etc. When a customer initiates a refund, Amazon reimburses the. Look, you've also got returns here. Estimated reimbursement. We've got $237 estimated reimbursements for returns. Okay, so you do the exact same sort of process down here. You download the report and then you contact seller support. Okay, the exact same process as returns. Okay. You need this tool to be able to do this. Guys, girls, let me know in the comments below if that was helpful. Let me know how much you get reimbursed, and I will see you in the next video. I've been Hayden Davison. This is FBA TV.